In this video, I'm going to show you my best way, my favorite way to mark metal, any type of metal, aluminum, steel, stainless steel, and what markers and utensils that I use. So we'll get to it. Chris Wojnarski, we're back again with another welding fabrication tech tip video for you. I guess we could call it Fab Tool Friday. I know somebody else has a video. I think they call theirs Fab Tool Friday or something like that, but if so, I'm gonna copy it and we'll switch it up. But I got these new markers in. Now my go-to is a Sharpie marker, and it's ultra fine point. Yeah, ultra fine point. I'll show you right here. And a little close up. Ultra fine point though, and I like the fast retractable ones, whatever they call them. Ultra fine permanent marker. I don't think they. Ooh, did they have a name for it? No, but it's like a fast one, click one like that. So that way you don't got to take the cap on and off every single time. And it's super, super fine. And now this is my favorite marker for aluminum and stainless steel. But for steel, I just like a regular fatter tip marker. I don't like those ultra fine ones. I like a fatter one, kind of like these. And here's a fast retractable one. But the Sharpies, at least in this one, it's not a super fine one. This one we kind of like, yeah, for like black iron, carbon steel, anything with mill scale, I like this a little better. Works pretty good. Tried these markers, the shake up ones. And these, I can never get these to work super good. They always like clog up, or you gotta shake them every time. I know they make them in a finer point than that, but I'm not really sure. I tried these silver markers, and it seems like they always clog up too. Good idea, but I tried soapstone. I don't really care for that because I like a really, really fine point on my stuff to get like precise. And the soapstone, it just seems too wide for me, and I can't get it super accurate. I tried the skinny ones. I think I have a pen somewhere up here. I used to be a pen with the circle ones. Tried the fat ones, and I don't really care for them that much. So if I have black iron, carbon steel, I like a black marker. And these are my new ones. But these are the new ones I got. So just show you, for instance, how this marks. It just leaves such a small mark on there compared to the black one, or the regular, like, big difference if you want to get super accurate. So I just like that better. But now I've seen somebody using these not too long ago. They're called Jun Gold, and they come in like this. But this was a kind of a cool pack. It came two markers. And these are like refill things, so you fill up the marker and 2 extra tips that go in it. So I'll show you what these markers are. They're kind of neat. Blue marker, standard, and it's pretty fine. Not as fine, I don't think, as that ultra fine. Maybe a little fatter than that, but pretty cool. And top comes off, and I don't know where you fill it up from, but it's got this thing in it. And I think you just put the ink in there, and there's your tip. I guess you take that tip out and you do something with it. I gotta research how to use the thing. It didn't come with instructions, but that's kind of cool. And it was, all in all, for this whole package like that, I think it was under $7 and 2-day shipping. So that was kind of cool. And it came in different colors, I think. Black, blue, red. Maybe some more colors. I'm not sure about durability on it. And it's got this little skinny thing right here that you could see. It's supposed to be for going through and being able to mark pipe, or like through holes like that. Obviously this one's too fat for that, so it won't work like that, but marking like that, or making it easy to trace around like a roll cage tubing or something. So pretty cool. We'll see how it works. Maybe I'll use it in some of my videos, and we'll get back to use with a follow-up. Not sponsored or anything, just something cool I figured I'd try out. So that's my new thing I'm trying out. these are my other ones this is my favorite ones actually. I just like the quick tip on it. Just being able to pull it out of your pocket, hit the button and go. You don't gotta worry about taking the cap off like this, putting it somewhere or holding it in your mouth or ear or something, or losing it. So that's just why I like these ones better. And these are still my go-to. I mean, this whole pack lasts me about a year, and I do interchange. This is just for my cleaner stuff, stainless and aluminum, which I do mostly of that, where these work perfect. And this package lasts me, I think, about a year. So I'll just buy a pack, keep it in my lunchbox or something, or my little box, and whenever I need it, I go through it. Now, one trick though, and you got to be careful not to let people borrow your markers, is when they're marking on something, you don't got to push a whole bunch of force on your marker, because you just got to lightly mark your mark. Like, I'll show you this. Someone grabbed a hold of this on me. I left it on the table and somebody used it for something and pushed too hard on it and ruined my mark on me. Now it does not work. So hide your markers from people that have lead arms, right? So, little tip for everybody. Yeah, these are my carbon steel, black iron, dirty stuff. And sometimes if I don't need a super precise point, fatter markers. Stainless steel, aluminum, clean stuff. Where I want super fine stuff, I like the blue. And blue, I like, is my favorite color too, because it's way easier to see than black, for me at least. Just stands out a lot better. So I tried like red, blue, black, maybe a couple other colors, but blue just seems, it leaves the brightest mark and easier to see, and it stands out a little bit more. So that's why I like the blue. Tried these, I don't care for them. I tried these, but at least this one, I tried a couple of different ones and I haven't found one that I like yet. So feel free to let me try one if you're a marker company. Sharpies though, that's my favorite kind of. So yeah, that's about it. But they just get super fine, like super precise. Like I like a nice small mark on my stuff where they just come in handy. But not bad. This is a little fatter than the ultra fine Sharpie, but it might be like a happy medium, and I'm just gonna give it a try. For the price, you couldn't really beat it. It's about, I don't know, less than $4 a marker, $3 a marker. So, and then these, but I don't know if I told you, they're about $20, $25 tops for a 12 pack. So that's what, like $2 a piece maybe, give or take. So that's about it. But yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. Here's the box. Jun Gold deep reach markers. So if you're interested in that, and then these, I just get them on Amazon. So that's the place to go. Walmart doesn't really have them or something, or best deals are on Amazon. So hopefully that was a little, let's see how many minutes, maybe 10 minutes. I was gonna say 5-minute Friday, but it might be 10-minute Friday. So little tip for you guys. Filmed it on my phone instead of GoPro, so a little easier to upload for everybody, and I'll just put it right out. And I filmed it sideways like this, so if it's on Instagram, you might have to watch it sideways, so sorry about that. Trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. If you like my videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and comment, and share. Doing a giveaway if I reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I still might do it anyway, but that's my goal. I got a couple weeks left, and I'm at like 411 subscribers to this day. So if you can and you like the videos, subscribe if you haven't already. So enough about that, but we'll see you guys on the next one. I got a bunch more videos to edit. Gotta do monitor screen at home, a nice ultra wide, so that'll be a little easier to edit my videos on. Yeah, I think I'm taking off for like almost a week or two around Christmas break, so maybe I'll pump out a couple videos there too, or edit a bunch. I got a lot of videos. I got like 20, 30 videos just on SD cards that are still gotta edit. So stay tuned for those. And I'm just trying to do stuff in order, but still trying to bring back stuff. And this is one I want to get by the end of the year, making this table. I still have this on video, so we'll try getting that video out for you. So I think that would be kind of cool. Everybody seems to like that table, aluminum fixture table. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. A little something different for you, but important. And yeah, and one more other thing I might show you in another video. I got this new diamond wheel on here for my tungsten grinder. That was cheap, but I'll show you how I sharpen my tungsten. Maybe that'll be another Fab Tip Friday thing. So enough of that. Wojnarski, over and out.